Place that I'm going to is called Sheba Hut, right there. So Plano, Frisco, McKinney. What's up, guys? Okay, so it's Saturday. I don't know the date, whatever, just know it's Saturday. It's Saturday. It's what is it, St. Patty's? Is it St. Pat? I don't know what's going on, but I decided to just get dressed. I'm gonna go downtown. I'm gonna go to Deep Ellum and go to this place where I ate once, but the weather's actually nice. It's been cold, so I haven't been out, haven't been able to do any vlogs because y'all don't want to see me sitting around not doing anything. So I decided, okay, get ready, go down to Deep Ellum, go eat, and I'm just gonna talk to you guys. So I'm gonna head out now. I'll see you guys there. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, tell a friend and tell a friend and tell a friend to come over to Everything Teash. Okay, so I just made it to, I parked at Vidor. I ain't finna hold you. I said this is downtown. I don't know what the difference is. So let's go. Ooh, lighting is everything. Vidor. There's a parade somewhere, but I think I'm a little too late. So now I'm just down here taking it solo with all these people with friends and families. I gotta find me a man. Please don't hop in my inbox and ask me if you could be my man. I'm being funny. So this is what's, let me go.
I'm sorry, go ahead.
Hello.
Hi.
They're all made with real coral.
Okay.
Sometimes snakeskin.
And ew. Wait.
It's such a mixed reaction.
Yeah.
Those are little baby keychains.
Oh. Okay, here's my lighting. So the place that I was talking about going to, so apparently, okay, so I'm not at the parade, obviously. I'm at it's a market that happens every weekend down here in Deep Ellum. But so the place that I'm going to is called Sheba Hut, right there. And I only ate there once. It was really good, so now I'm coming back. It's really funny to be a vlogger because people really look at us like we're crazy, but they already know the deal, okay? And so Stir is right there. There was so much room. There was so much room, and that man was touching me. Why are you touching me? There was so much room. So I was gonna talk to you guys while I'm in here, but I can't. It's a little bit loud and it has music and I don't want to be copyrighted. So whenever I get my food, I'll show you guys what it is, why I drove 32 minutes to come down here. 32, but I'm glad. I hope I find some friends down here. I have my group of friends. I have my few friends, but I want to expand my friendships because whenever they can't do stuff, I need people to do stuff with, or, you know, do it alone like I am right now. So yeah, I'll show you guys guys know I drove 32 minutes to get down here. I really like it. Okay, so it came, but it looks a little different from what I got last time. I swear it does. Uh-oh, my battery's about to die. So I'm gonna show you guys. It looks real regular, but it's the sauce that's on it that makes it like bon appetit. And before my camera died, it's called Sensi Push Pinner, and I got it in garlic bread. Sensi Push Killer, something like that. Anyways, my camera's about to die, so I'll see you guys in a little bit. Bye. All right, y'all, so I'm back. I came to my car because my camera was dying. Well, it did die, so I switched out the camera. I feel like I want to keep walking around, but the sandwich that I was showing you guys is called, because that was not my angle, okay? So let me tell you what it was called, because it bangs, and it's the sauce that's on it that really does it. Like, I haven't even eaten bacon in months because I said I was gonna stop because it's gross. Bacon is gross. But it's called Sense Kush Pinner, and I had it on the garlic bread that they have. But whatever sauce is in there, because mind you, it's only cabbage, some sort of mayo, but it's not mayo, and that sauce, it's sweet, and garlic. No, they got Parmesan cheese on top. It's so good. But I'm seeing a lot of people, so I do plan on going back out and walking around. I might go into Stir. I don't know. I just wanna sit around and talk to people. I just wanna talk. I just wanna hang out. I don't know, I feel good. This was a good day. It is getting a little chilly, so I'm not gonna be out here too long. But all right, so I'm gonna go now that I switched my camera out, my battery out. So all right, I don't know what y'all will see next, but let's go. At this point, I'm just walking around stores and enjoying some me time. So yeah, and I left my camera in the car, so now I'm using my phone. But I don't think that matters. So I don't want anything. I'm leaving. Y'all see. Okay, here's another one. John Fluval shoes. I don't know. Look, it's right beside that one. So let's see what they got going on. Yeah, sorry, I was trying to make that vlog for y'all, but yeah, I don't even remember. So that day that I was in not Deep Ellum, was I in Deep Ellum? I was in Deep Ellum. I actually went online. I was like, let me go out here and do something alone. And I went to that Girls of Dallas thing, and a girl had posted about wanting to hang out. So I was like, fine, you know what, I'm already downtown. Or let me stop calling that downtown. I was already in Deep Ellum, so let me go ahead and go hang out with some people. So I went and seen Scream 5 with her. So now I have a new friend. That was great. And then I'm not gonna lie to y'all, I've really been trying to film some content for y'all, but I think it's the setting that I was in and the people that I was around didn't want them to be on camera. But at the same time, I'm not gonna lie to y'all, I've been doing a lot. I'm tired, I'm not gonna hold y'all, but I do have content coming up this weekend if I go on this little boat activity that's going on Sunday. But let me give y'all an update of what's going on. So, your girl finally got a new job. Yay, cheers, yay. I finally got a new job and it is finally worth my freaking degree, undergrad degree, because I'm almost done with my master's. I'm done with my master's in August, so that's also why I've been so busy. So now I have an internship that I have to go to 16 hours a week, 16 to 17 hours a week. I have my job that I just started last week and that is overnight, but I'm training in the day. And what else? Your girl has gotten 53K followers on TikTok. If you're not following me, go follow me there. It's Teash_duet_queen, TEASH_duet_queen. I do story times over there, real quick, wrap it up. If I could do those over here and get the same amount of vibes that I do over on TikTok, you guys would definitely get more content. But I must say TikTok goes like this, like they really enjoy my content and it moves really, really fast. So that's amazing. But with my job, it's in my field, so that's great. I am going to be working overnight, so as of right now, the reason I'm really busy and haven't been able to film a lot is because my internships on Mondays and Tuesdays, normal workday hours, and then my job is from Wednesday to Saturday. So you can only imagine I only have Sundays off, which means that I'm sleeping, right? So I'm trying to take as much opportunity, or I'm trying to use my time wisely now on Sundays, and that's to rejuvenate. I haven't been to the gym in 2 weeks since I started my internship and my job. So I've neglected that because I have no time. So I really am trying to make time for you guys. My internship, I definitely make time for TikTok because again, I blow up over there like it does. It's doing well on TikTok. So again, also if you're not following me, follow me on Instagram because why not? What else is going on? My apartment, I do think I'm going to move. I cannot deal with the smell of my pipes in the bathroom. So, and now that I have a decent paying job, it's fine. I can move somewhere else, no problem. So I am excited about that. I think last time I was trying to tell you guys places that I would recommend moving to if you're coming to Dallas or moving to Dallas, whatever. But before that, also, I guess in that video, I don't know if you can tell in the video that's obviously before this, I was so tired. I just wanted to go and have a day to myself finally. I've literally been sleeping 12 hours. When I get off my work, because I'm training right now, so it's from 8 to 7, 8 to 6 p.m. I'm doing 10 hours because my shifts are gonna be 10 hours. And the job is about 30 minutes away. So I'm like, I'm tired. I've literally just been sleeping 12 hours. I'm tired. I even missed my internship yesterday. I just needed a break, some me time. So I'm definitely trying to give you guys more lifestyle content. Not everything got to deal with apartments and hunting. I'm not doing that again until maybe April or May, because I think I'm here until June or July, depending on if it's a 12-month lease or a 13-month lease. I'm not sure yet. I have to look at my lease again. But if it's in June, then I probably will be doing it in April. So I guess stick around for that. Other than that, you're gonna see lifestyle stuff. If I go on this boat, that should be fun. You know, like a normal vlogging channel that y'all like to watch other people do. But so what I was gonna tell you guys, places that I was gonna recommend that you move to if you're coming to Texas, because I don't know if people like really give lists of places, but so Plano, Frisco, McKinney, you can look in Deep Ellum, Addison. I like the Addison area. I'm actually gonna be looking in the Addison area. Irving, Las Colinas, they're like they go hand in hand. You can go to Rowlett, that's a little bit far. It's like 45 to, it's far from here. So far north. I'm giving you guys lists to go to far north or north, whatever. I'm in north. So, but if you're not trying to look in north, then you can look in uptown, midtown, downtown. Where else? Carrollton. You can look in, those are the big ones. McKinney, Plano, Frisco. McKinney's kind of far. I don't know, I think McKinney's kind of far. But McKinney, Plano, Frisco, Irving, Las Colinas, Deep Ellum, Carrollton, Addison. I really like Addison. Yeah. Uptown, downtown, midtown. I think there's a midtown. So that's 11 so far. You guys have a lot of options, but if you're young and you're trying to be up to speed with things, I would say those are the areas to look into. Other places, I don't know, I live in the north side. Would I consider looking uptown? I don't know, because I feel like people come to the north to do things. And other than that, you're downtown. I don't mind driving downtown for a Saturday event or something, but it's not somewhere where I want to live. You know, it's like when I was living in Jamaica, I was about 10 minutes from the beach. I don't think I would have wanted to live right in front of the beach where KFC's at, because like, come on, that's like being on vacation permanently. So you always want to drive somewhere, have something fun to do. So that's my recommendation for places to look at if you're coming here looking far north. Yeah, guys, I'm tired. It is currently 11:27 and I have to get up again at 7 and go to work by 7:30. Nah, I have to clock in by, anyways, I'm tired. So I was like, I'm not even gonna do anything, no makeup, no nothing, hair's up. I'm just gonna get on this camera and add to my vlog that I didn't even get to finish. But I promise you guys, more content are gonna be coming out. Again, add me on TikTok, because those videos are, and I said I can start posting some TikTok videos here, but I'm not sure that I can, because you can't use certain words on YouTube, but I can on TikTok. And so it would get flagged a lot here on YouTube. But I do think you guys would enjoy it, because some of them don't know that I have a YouTube channel and they're like, oh my gosh, you should make YouTube. Like, I got one. Go visit it. So I think they're also interested in my story times. But for everyone, I'm a travel blogger, lifestyle person. Just hang out, chill with me. Whatever you get is what you get. So if you like me, you like my vibes, you'll like my channel. The apartment hunting should be fine soon, because it's actually getting warm. So I'm really excited for that. So, and cheers to the new job. I'm so excited. I don't have to be suffering like I have been, because your girl has been suffering, right? So I'm really glad about that. Everything is looking up now. So I guess it's kind of like an update, almost a 1-year update, because I moved here in June and it's almost June. But it literally, I've been here since June. It's now March and I've had like 6 jobs since I've been in Texas. You've really gotta hustle. I'm not even playing. Like, I was doing minimum wage jobs just to get a paycheck. I was working 3 jobs at one time. Talk about tired. So, and now I don't have to worry about that. I just got 1 job that'll satisfy all of my bills. So I'm really excited for that. So yeah, guys, just stay tuned. I promise you guys are gonna get content. Just support me. Continue to tell a friend and tell a friend and tell a friend to come over to Everything Teash. And I'm gonna give you guys what you want. Just stick through it with me and enjoy, right? Enjoy. Until next time, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Don't forget to follow me on YouTube and on TikTok, where all juice is at. Ooh, I like that one. Until next time,